How's it going, guys? So you're here probably not to watch my drone videos, which what this YouTube channel is actually for, is my drone videos, but to learn how to adapt the SW-Motec SLC system to a plastic hard case. Some of these Pelican case kits are extremely expensive. I went with a very cheap one that you can get at Harbor Freight, and I adapted them, actually SW-Motec's plate system that is made for their nylon bags, to these cases. And then I 3D printed feet for it, which I can sell you or get you the STL for it if you have a 3D printer. But anyway, just wanted to share this video with you. Putting this together is extremely easy. The only thing that you need is an Allen wrench for the kit to put it together, and a 1/2 inch drill bit or 1/2 inch step bit that goes up to 1/2 inch. And you'll see how easy it is to put together. It's actually pretty neat. I spent several hours researching kits that would work. When I first got this, I wasn't sure that it was going to work, but once I found out it did, I was really excited. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If this video helps you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you liked the video. Thanks. All right, so this is the plate. This is the SLC 15. This is for the 15 size backpack or side cases. What you'll notice is pretty much it fits the size of the actual case. Here's your dimensions here, or internal. Outside, it's a little bit bigger, but I mean, you get the idea. It pretty much fits it perfectly. And the only tool, I'm not going to go into, you know, screwing these down. I mean, you can pretty much figure that out. But all you need is a 1/2 inch drill bit. I use one of these step bits just because it makes life easier. But yeah. So on the GS, there's basically 2 bolts that hold it in where existing bolt holes are. And then on your plate, you just kind of click into place just like that. And I actually reversed these. The part that holds this part of the bracket, because I wanted this on the rear, I just swapped the sides. So originally this will be on this side, pull tab will be in here. I wanted it towards the rear, so that's why I changed it. But either way, you get the idea. All right, so I'm gonna take this sticker off. And literally a 1/2 inch drill bit is the only thing that you need to install this. So I want to make sure everything lines up right. Looking at these as kind of like pilots of where I'm going to go to make my holes. Make sure it's straight, and also make sure that you've got the upside, you know. Just do a good job of eyeballing it. Also, don't forget to pull the foam out. You'll need to do that, that's for sure. Get the foam out. Just a little bit off here, but I mean, this thing's really forgiving. And I'll show you why. Now, these are the bolts that actually come with the kit. And no, these aren't made for this. This is actually made for their backpack or their, you know, their case system. They're like nylon bags. But let me tell you, they fit this thing perfectly. So, try and put these here in the grass so I don't lose them. Just kind of put that where that belongs there. It helps to have some help with this, but I'm trying to do it on my own to make this video. Let's kind of start that one by hand. And what I mean by forgiving, see how you got some wiggle room here? So you can mess it up, but you know, if you do a good job eyeballing it, it will still fly. I've got a 3D printer. I'm probably going to make some sort of grommets or something that'll go around these and give it like little bumpers or something. I don't know, I'll figure something out on that, just so when I lay the case flat on a table or something, because this can like scratch things, so you got to kind of watch out for that. Chances are people are going to put these on their bikes and forget about it. All right, so that, make sure we're lined up here, looks good. And that literally is all there is to it. So they make a 3800 series. I haven't tried it yet, which I really am not planning on it. They make a 10 series. This is the 15 series bracket. They make a 10 series bracket that's even smaller, would probably fit the 3800 size cases because they're legitimately that big. But yeah, it's a done deal. And missed the hole. There we go. Just like that. Other thing that I worried about, would that get too hot? And I have rode with it, stop and go traffic, and on the highway. It does not, these heat shields, this muffler does not get hot enough to mess this plastic up. It works. Don't know how. I was kind of freaked out about it, but it does work. It does not get too hot where it doesn't mess it up. It doesn't melt it, nothing. It's just fine. But there it is. Go ahead and attach the other one just to